Oh, hi, Mama. What are you making?
We are making dough for futka roti. Let's learn it.
Wow.
First, we'll sieve it. Sieve the wheat flour.
Perfect.
Here we have taken whole wheat flour. We'll remove some for rolling the rotis. It is roughly 1.5 bowl of flour, and we'll slowly add water to it.
Perfect.
First, add little water, nearly half a cup. Then just mix it. Okay. So you have to check what is the binding of the dough and how hard it is while mixing. You can't add all the water at first, right?
Perfect.
Gradually you have to do. Go on gradually adding little water again.
Making roti is an art, Mama.
Yeah, you need to learn it properly and practice it regularly. See, we can see it's now almost getting collected. You can check how hard it is. You want it has to be little more softer than this, but you cannot add water immediately because as we go on mixing, the consistency will change. See, as you can see, the dough is little hard right now, so we need to add little water. But the technique now is going to be little different than before. I'll just show you how you can do it. We'll just make impressions like this and add only this much of water, if you can see, and just spread it over. Again, make impressions and just add. Let this sit for 5-10 minutes and we'll get back to it.
Perfect.
See, after 10 minutes, the dough looks like this. We'll smoothen it further little. After doing like this, we should add little ghee to it. So it doesn't stick to your hands and becomes very comfortable to make small portions out of it. See the dough. It's so smooth now. Fine.
Perfect.
And easy to work with. Now we can make small portions. You can just see the size you want for the rotis. Pulka rotis, bigger rotis, puran puli. You can just adjust the size and just make a nice dough. This has to be perfect to have a perfect round rotis, you know. There should be no cracks or things like that. If you can see.
Perfect.
So as we can see, the perfect portions for the rotis are ready. We had made these perfect portions of the roti. Now we'll learn how to roll them. First, cover it with the flour generously.
Perfect.
And place it on the rolling board. Press it once and gently roll it. See, with very light hands and less pressure on the dough. Slowly in a circular motion.
Perfect.
The pressure has to be even, or else what will happen, from one side it will be thin and one side it will be thin.
Perfect.
See the thickness of the roti.
Perfect.
We shall put this on it.
Perfect.
When you see little boils on the side, just flip it, but let it cook for nearly 10 seconds.
Perfect.
See, you can see some small boils coming up.
Perfect.
We just flip it. Now, have a closer look to it. And we'll just check the other side also. Yeah, see. The other side has to be like this. and we shall place it on the flame. Slowly, with light hands, you should hold it.
Perfect.
And the perfect fulka is ready.
Wow.
Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll apply some ghee over it. And it's ready.